Panicked residents run for their lives in Anaime, Colombia. The once tranquil river has turned into a raging torrent of destruction. The powerful river easily swallows up trees and earth. Now it's coming dangerously close to several homes. Horrified residents can only pray they'll be spared. But today, those prayers won't be answered. First, part of the foundation goes. A family's dream teeters on the brink as the earth crumbles. Suddenly, a giant rumble. Luckily, the owners knew about the impending disaster and had piled their belongings on the street. The river continues roaring through the village, leaving a muddy mess behind. An incredible show of strength as cameras capture Mother Nature's fury.